Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then enter the Google Play Store. Be aware because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device. Let me just quickly enter the password. If you do not have it, then you will not be able to update all of the apps. So either you can add it right after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So it's totally up to you. Now, after logging, all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and then tap on My Apps and Games. Then tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, and this is the list of the apps which are currently installed and can be updated. So simply find the updates you'd like to apply and mark them. I will choose Google Chrome, maybe Maps, and Google Meet. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps which appear in this list and update all. After marking, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and now your device will download the updates. And after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.